Unboxing video. First, take out all the accessories. There are some small accessories like wrenches, screws, clamps, and power cables. Take all of these out first. All accessories are now out. Then take out the base below to start installation. Also take out the wooden boards, starting with the first layer in the front. This is the control box along with the drag chain and wiring harness. Okay, this is the second layer. The aluminum bars in the second layer. Take the aluminum bars out first. Take out all the aluminum bars and arrange them in order. Then place these 5 aluminum bars in this direction first. Take out these 6 long screws and get ready for installation. Put the screws in first and tighten them. Okay, after tightening this screw, then tighten the next one. Alright, tighten this screw as well. Okay, after tightening this screw, then tighten in this screw. This is the middle crossbar. Okay, after tightening this screw, then tighten the next one. Then tighten this one. After tightening this one, there's the last screw, the middle one. Tighten this screw as well. Once all the screws are tightened, this shape is formed. Then prepare for the next step. Prepare these 7 crossbars and then 20 screws, ready to install the crossbars. Here are 19 screws. Then get ready to start installing. Arrange these 7 crossbars in this direction first. Here on the side, lock this one hole, and in the middle there are 3 holes. Lock the middle one, then use screws to secure them all. One here, one in the middle, and one on this side. Start securing. Alright. All the crossbars have been locked tight with screws. And the next step is to install. The next step is start installing the nuts. These are for securing the pressure plate at the back insert it like this, like this. Starting from the second bar, insert one nut here for each bar. You can use a screwdriver or a wrench. Alright, place one here. Then insert one from this end for each bar, except the two on the sides. Put nuts on the other 5 bars, like this. Tighten them in place, and after putting in the nuts, the next step is to install the wooden boards. Bring over 6 wooden boards first. Get them ready. The side with the countersunk hose should face up. The side with the large hose should face up. Place them all at once. Alright, once the boards are placed, this is the result. Use screws to secure the boards underneath. Each board has 5 screws. Here, here, one in the middle, and here. Secure them with screws. Then use a hex key to tighten each screw. After all screws are tightened and the boards are secured, the next step is to install the Y-axis. First, take out the Y-axis and get it ready. This is the Y-axis, and the next step is to prepare to install it. Now we're ready to start installing. Place the Y-axis in position, and once it's in place, prepare to secure it with screws. The screws are these 3 here. These 3 screws on this end, and then on the other end. The other end also has these 3 screws. Both sides are the same. Now start securing. Fix both sides of the Y-axis with screws. Next step, install the X-axis. Prepare the X-axis first. Place screws in position, get the screws ready, and start installing. At this point, the orientation is like this. And again, use screws on this side. Secure with 4 screws on this side. Fix with screws. Once this side is secured, install the other side. This side also has 3 screws. Install the 3 screws underneath. First, after securing these 3 screws, the X-axis is done. Then there's one more screw on top here. This screw adjusts the tension of the belt. If the belt is too loose, loosen this screw and then secure it here. The tighter you turn it, the tighter the belt will be. The same method applies on this side. Once the XY installation is complete, it will look like this. Next step is to install the drag chain wiring harness for the control box. The control box is on the right side of the whole machine. First, route its wiring harness along here and bring it over to this side. The first step is to secure this screw. There are 2 holes here for fixing the control box screws. Tighten this first. After leaving these 2 screws in place, move on to the next step here. There is a clip on the drag chain here. Just press it in directly. With that, this part is installed. Then, match this plug to its corresponding number and insert it. That completes this part. Next step, organize these wiring harnesses. Same here. Clip this in. After clipping it in, it should look like this. Then connect the corresponding plug here first. Each one has a label, and the label corresponds to the label on the machine. Match them and plug them in. After all the corresponding plugs are connected, pay special attention to this one. You must be careful not to plug this one in incorrectly. It must be plugged directly on top. Once it's plugged in, the next step is here. There is a clip and a screw. There's a screw fixing it here. After the screws are fixed here, it will look like this. Then use the same method on this end. Fix it with screws. After fixing, plug in the connector here. Match the corresponding labels. Plug. Wire, harness, and control box. Installation completed. Next, install the Y-axis electrode protective cover. The protective cover looks like this. Prepare the screws. Get ready to install. After placing the right protective cover, it looks like this. There are 3 screws here. One here, one here, and one here. There's also one on the side here. Fix all 3 screws. The right protective cover is now installed. Now install the left one. Make sure to pass the wire harness through this hole. There's also one screw here, one screw here, and one screw on the side here. Tighten them all securely. The protective cover is now installed. The entire installation is complete.